Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video I am bringing you guys another laundry motivation video. I know you guys truly love these videos, so I wanted to bring you another one. So if you have anything on your to-do list, if that includes a laundry or just simply tidying up your space, this is definitely the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
Every time sprint you magic in, you belong with the fairies. No matter what I say.
So I'm starting with my largest load, which you guys just saw me put in my colored clothes. So I always just start with my dark clothes first, and then I'll usually do my white clothes or my towels next, and then end with either whites or towels. Honestly, today the towels load was not that big, so I did end with white clothes just because that was the smallest load. But honestly, that's pretty much how I do my laundry routine every time I do laundry. Now we do laundry maybe once a week, so we are a household of 3, and recently we have added 2 members to our family. So we have 2 poodles. Well, one's a Maltipoo and the other is a toy poodle. So we have been doing a lot of laundry just because we are potty training right now. So you can imagine how much laundry I have, but it has been fun having them around. We recently got them about a month ago, so we are excited to have them join our family. But like I said, we have been doing tons of laundry. That's why you see me folding several blankets, just because we've been having accidents. Just because this was like the week after vacation as well, I did have a little bit of laundry to catch up with. Thankfully, at the Airbnb, they did have a washer and dryer. So pretty much everything that we came back with, we did go ahead and wash and dry them, which helped a ton. So we did go ahead and do that.
I like your man, gotta stay loose. When next to you, I wanna be sure, or else you get loose. There's no pick and choose for sure.
Didn't make the bed as soon as I got up this morning, so I just wanted to throw this little bit of motivation. So if you haven't made your bed, go ahead and do so. Honestly, making your bed the first thing in the morning just definitely sets you up for success throughout your day. So I will highly recommend, if your bed is not made yet, go ahead and get it done.
Saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
So like I said, this was the biggest load for me to tackle today. So I always turn the TV on. I'll either look at something we've been watching or I'll look at like a YouTube video. I definitely don't look at like laundry motivation videos. I normally look at cleaning videos, and most of the time the people that I watch, they do have like laundry within the cleaning videos, but that definitely helps. So if laundry is not your favorite chore or you sort of need that extra motivation, definitely turn on the TV and maybe watch a YouTube video of somebody doing laundry or, you know, cleaning their space. I don't know, somehow it triggers the endorphins to actually get it done.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave.
So you'll notice right here when I'll put up my shirts and stuff, if I do not have enough hangers for whenever I put up my clothes, I definitely go through my shirts and say, okay, if I haven't worn it in the last 3 months or so, we're going to go ahead and donate it or find somebody I can give it to. So that's why you see me sort of taking some shirts off the hanger and throwing them behind me. So that's one method I definitely recommend if you feel like you have a ton of stuff in your closet that you don't necessarily wear all the time and you really need to declutter and reorganize. This is definitely sort of a method that you don't have to like take all day to organize a space, but this will help you maintain an organized space.
Back if you'll have mine. You and I.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
this video so far and is motivating you to get something done or to tackle that last load of laundry, go ahead and subscribe. I post on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube community here. So normally I don't post like decorating videos. I'll do like house projects, and lately of course I've just been doing like cleaning and also laundry motivation videos, but I'm thinking about doing like a fall and decorate with me. Normally I'll add a piece here or there, but I don't know, I feel like going a little bit above and beyond this year, so I might actually go ahead and post like a fall and decorate with me. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are needing any type of inspiration or motivation in regards to a decorating for fall. Fall is definitely one of my favorite seasons. Winter, however, is not. I definitely go into like seasonal depression with the winter time, but this year I'm going to try my best to find things to do and to sort of help me throughout winter this year, because the last year was pretty rough. But like I said, I do enjoy fall. Fall happens to be one of my favorite. I think it just reminds me of like, I don't know, high school, maybe like Friday night football games and stuff like that, because I was in the marching band all 4 years of high school. So that's sort of the vibe that it gives me. I don't know, I just love like the coziness of it as well. But like I said, I do get a little depressed knowing that winter is the next season, but we're gonna go into winter this year as like a positive mindset, and then also just, you know, sending good vibes my way. That being said, I do want to post like a fall and decorate with me video, so stay tuned for that. Now, I'm not a content creator that posts the fall and decorate with me when it's still 90 degrees outside, so it probably won't be until like September time frame. I have seen like fall and decorate with me videos right now being posted. I don't know, I can't pull myself to do that. So but anyways, just want to let you guys know that those videos will be coming most likely in September. So go ahead and subscribe if you're needing some of that motivation.
Time. You want my love all night, telling me lies, maybe stop telling me lies. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it,
thank you guys again for watching this laundry motivation video. Hope it inspired you to get something done today. If that's just to simply make your bed, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.